Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best flip chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lucid Sofa and Folding Mattress, twin size. The Lucid Sofa and Folding Mattress come with a durable outdoor and indoor cover. It is a double sofa-style floor bed and sofa chair, providing a very comfortable seating position and a convenient guest temporary mattress. This sofa chair and bed is best for sleepover guests, kids sleepover, camping, picnics, dorm rooms, kids playroom, and cabins. It is a great alternative to bunk beds, trundle beds, and futons. It is machine washable and CertiPure US certified without harmful odors. It is highly resistant to dust mites and very safe for children to use. Now, you can enjoy the convenience and comfort of the Lucid Memory Foam Folding Mattress because you can set it up everywhere. It is perfect for movie nights, dorm rooms, sleepovers, and any cozy activity. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milliard Tri-Fold Foam Folding Mattress and Sofa Bed. It is a great temporary bed that is perfect for welcoming unexpected guests, children sleepovers, or used in college dorms. This is a very more comfortable option to air mattresses because the Milliard Tri-Fold Foam Folding Mattress unfolds with minimal effort within seconds. Based on the company's ads, this foam folding sofa bed is great for using it on the go that you can take along for picnics, camping or your RV. The mattress is comfortable and thick enough, providing a firm hold that won't bottom out. The Milliard Tri-Fold Foam Folding Bed comes in twin extra long and queen sizes. It is good as a temporary bed for sleepovers and unexpected guests. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products Convertible Sleeper Chair Bed. If you want a brand new and modern design of black folding bed or couch, the Best Choice Products Convertible Sleeper Chair Bed is best for you. This is a comfortable bed couch that is specifically designed with excellent quality foam that is covered by a black ultra suede fabric. Its bed couch comes with 5 adjustable positions. You can arrange it as a comfortable reclining lounge chair, gaming chair, or a single sofa bed, providing maximum comfort and meeting your needs. This is a perfect addition to any room, most especially those with limited space. The Best Choice Products Convertible Sleeper Chair Bed is flexible enough for any ordinary day or special occasion, like welcoming an unexpected visitor, kids' sleepovers, a summer picnic, waiting for TV, and camping. At number 2, we have the Lounge Micro Suede Flip Chair and Sofa Bed. The Lounge Micro Suede Flip Chair and Sofa Bed is a perfect addition to any room. It is a comfortable bed or mattress that gives you the comfort and flexibility you expect and deserve anywhere. You'll love to use it for reading a book, watching TV, or taking a nap. It is a versatile product that suits the activities of kids with its adjustable and convertible positions. It can be unfolded into a bed or a comfortable chair. Use it as a reclining lounge chair with space-saving conversions to save time. The Lounge Micro Suede Flip Chair and Sofa Bed is a versatile sofa bed and flip chair. It is made of a micro suede material for extra comfort. Its modern look can fit into any room, like your guest room, living room, family room, patio, and studio. And finally, at number 1, we have the Harper & Bright Designs Convertible Futon Flip Chair and Sleeper Bed. Now, you can bring fun to your room with this flip chair and sleeper bed by Harper & Bright Designs. It features a foldable design, allowing for easy portability and saving on space. It has cushioned seat to ensure great comfort and convenience all day long. It provides an extra seating in any room like your living room, conveniently transitioning into a bed as needed with a revolutionary foldable lounge flip chair. It has 5 tilting positions that can easily unfold into a sleeper bed. It is perfect for sleepovers, picnics, campings, and more. Whether you're hanging out with friends, studying, or lounging around, this foldable flip chair and sofa bed is an ideal addition to any room. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.